Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so today I have with me a product which is specially meant for women, and this is the Pee Safe Intimate Powder. So this is basically for women, and this is an antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-chafing powder. So yeah, if I have to give you an overview about this product, this is a powder for your intimate area, which is the vaginal area. We'll be saying that like V area. I won't be saying this word again and again because I find it a little awkward or shy to talk about specific body parts. And also I can talk about periods. Yeah, I can talk about periods the entire day, but body parts I feel a little shy. So V is vaginal. Okay, yaad rakhna. Okay, fine. So this retails for 199 rupees, and this is 75 grams in quantity. Pee Safe is quite a well-known brand, and they mostly deal with hygiene-related products. That is why I like this product a lot. Hygiene is not a matter of choice. I mean, it is not on your choice whether you have to be hygienic or not. This is not an option. You have to be hygienic. This is something which should come in you. This is a basic sense, like you have to be hygienic. That's the sense. Okay, so what happens is that our intimate area, that our V area, that is almost very prone to bacterial and fungal infections, especially in the monsoon month. Our V area, it gets a little irritated, or gets rashes or something. So this is the perfect solution for these kind of issues. So I have removed the plastic cover, and I just love this color combination, green and black. This looks very good, and this actually is quite different from the regular pink blue kind of packaging. This looks quite different. Okay, so what this says is this is antifungal, antibacterial, anti-chafing. Chafing is when your inner thighs, if your thighs are heavy, what happens is while you walk, your inner thighs kind of rub against each other, and that causes rashes, irritation, and also itchiness. So you can apply this on your shaft, inner thighs. You can apply this, and where else you can apply this? You can apply this thing if you have a V itching, you have itching down there, or if you have burning sensation or sanitary pad rashes. Like this happens, like if you are applying a pad such as a Whisper or any pad that has wings. What happens is when the wings, when they come in contact with your inner thighs, that area kind of sometimes gets red and itchy, especially if your pad is dry. Like if you are not having enough flow and you've applied a pad, that causes a lot of friction, and your thighs kind of look red. And eventually, if you are having chapped thighs, or if your thighs are getting rashes from pads, what happens is that eventually your thighs from red, they turn a little black. So that's why a lot of women have black marks on their inner thighs. That is because of constant chafing or constant friction from such things. So you need to take care of these things. You cannot avoid these things. You should not avoid, rather. This can also be used for vaginitis. Vaginitis is a form of infection, a form of fungal infection of the V area. You can also use this over there. And also, if you have basic itching down there, you can also apply this. Okay, so what are the products this powder has? This has clotrimazole, sodium bicarbonate, maize starch, vitamin E, talc, and fragrance. So this has maize starch, and this has clotrimazole. Clotrimazole is basically a powder which is used to treat fungal infections such as ringworm, etc. So this has clotrimazole. And also, how you have to use it. First of all, never keep your V area wet. Never keep it wet. You have to always keep it dry. And once you're out from the shower, and once you have dried your V area, all you have to do is you have to dust this powder externally. You don't have to put it internally. Never ever put any powder or anything internally. That will cause another kind of complication. So don't do that. You have to apply this internally, and just slightly dust it off, and this will keep you fresh down there. This is saying to consult a doctor before use, but I really don't think that this can have any possible side effect. So this is like this, a flip top. Okay, so this is the powder. Oh, this smells so good. As this has lemongrass, so the fragrance is quite like a lemon kind of a fragrance. And the texture of this powder is also quite fine. If you can see, it's quite fine, and the fragrance is so good. Like, it's very good. Okay, Now if you shave down there, then also you can apply this, because after shaving, your skin gets a little irritated, and it you get small red bumps and all. So this can also be used over your shaved V area. Okay, so, and odor free odor, and also this eliminates odor. If by any chance you have a smell, this will definitely help in getting rid of that. So I think this is a great buy for 199 rupees. I think this is good, and this is regarding your hygiene. So I don't think you should compromise. You should buy this and use this, and let me know whether this worked for you or not. Fragrance wise, this is very fresh, and this smells very nice. This smells like a garden of lemon trees. Like, the smell is very good. So yeah, that was it. I'll put the link down below if you buy this. It's obviously non-sponsored, so do give this a try, because this is very beneficial for women who are suffering from any kind of infection or chafing. This is very beneficial for them. So that was it. I'll see you guys the next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all, and do subscribe.